बॉलीवुड से लेकर हॉलीवुड तक अमूमन हर जगह पर लोगों को दो चेहरों का सामना करना ही पड़ता है। लेकिन पूजा भट्ट किस तरह से अपने माँ बाप के कहने पर मजबूरी में डबल चेहरे करने पर हो जाती है मजबूर, किस तरह उन्होंने दुनिया के रंग का सामना किया है, उन रंगों का जिससे वाकई आज भी लोग वाकिफ नहीं हुए कई बार। आपको बता दें, पूजा भट्ट ने हाल ही में फिल्म द वैली को लेकर बात करने के दौरान खोले हैं कई राज, जो उनके परिवार को लेकर है, डिप्रेशन को लेकर है, अंदर ही अंदर घुटने को लेकर है। आइए जानते हैं क्या कहना है पूजा का।
Every time I went outside the country for a concert, when I was younger and more reckless, I would have these young people come up to me and say that, we relate to you so much because you speak our language, unlike most of the other actors who don't speak our language. And they said the problem that we are having is our parents are stuck in a bubble and they're wanting to force feed us these kind of Indian values. At the same time, they want us to go out there and compete with a white person or a black person or somebody in the West. So what we are meant to be outside, in office or in college or in university, we come home and we've got to kind of regress. So you're forcing your child to kind of lead this double existence, and it's okay. So I think that there's too much that we brush under the carpet as society, whether it's depression, whether it's sexual abuse, whether it's addiction, whether it's female infanticide. And as a society, we need to kind of wake up and talk about it more, because if not, this whole thing is going to crumble like a pack of cards. Because I think Indian spirituality is seeming as bogus in this day and age as most other things. I'm sorry to say, I was in Russia recently and I experienced more spirituality in a strip bar in Russia than I would in most places of worship in this country. And there's something more dignified about a woman who sits up there and decides to sell her body out of choice, as opposed to the kind of hypocrisy that we lead on a daily mass-based level. So I think it's really about us having a really good look at ourselves as society and telling each other that somewhere we failed ourselves and each other, because we've lost that bond. We've lost that human connect. And what is that human connect? To understand that, hey, the other one feels as much self-doubt as I do, is as vulnerable as I am, is as fearful as I am, and just kind of reaching out, holding hands, and bleeding a little bit together.
Next to 9 News की रिपोर्ट।